Hi, I'm Caitlin with Cummins Repower. Today, I'd like to go over the ways you can order your crate engine from Cummins and what you can expect to arrive at your garage. Over the years, we've made a few key improvements we want to highlight. But first, let's start with your ordering options, as there are a few different ways you can order your engine from Cummins. If you're working with a builder who is part of the Cummins Repower Builder Program, they can source the engine on your behalf. Our network of builders has a lot of experience with the engine and knows what to expect when installing it. You can also work with one of our certified resellers who package the engine with other aftermarket components such as engine mounts, transmission adapters, and other accessories to help tailor this installation to specific vehicles. One of the most common ways to order the engine is directly from shop.cummins.com. This method is fast and ships the crate engine directly from our door to yours. If you choose this route or the reseller route, be sure you have a way to safely unload the engine at the receiving address. Many choose to use the help of a local business with a loading dock or forklift. Once you have the crate safely on the ground in your garage or shop, we recommend creating a clean space to lay out and inspect your kit components and have a plan for safely storing the pieces you may not need right away. Before unpacking, you'll first want to ensure you're wearing the proper safety gear. Cummins recommends gloves, eye protection, and steel-toed shoes. Let's get started. First, there is metal banding around the crate. This banding is under tension, so please be very careful when cutting and discarding it. Next, remove the metal spring clips holding the crate together. Use a small pry bar and carefully remove the top first, then work your way around the sides. The top and the sides make great wall art for the garage. Once the sides are removed, you'll have access to the various kit components in their separate boxes in the crate. You can move these to your cleaned location. Locate the Ziploc bag containing your engine documentation. Within this bag are your owner's manual, quick start guide, installation guide, product registration, vehicle badges, and decals. We recommend you take the installation guide and familiarize yourself with it, as many of the questions you have can be answered here. A free version of this can be found online as well. You'll be left with the engine in a protective bag that helps control the humidity while it's in storage in transit. We recommend carefully opening this, but keeping it nice so you can reuse it once you've done a quick visual inspection of the engine. Other loose components inside the crate include the fuel filter and housing, fuel fittings, throttle pedal, mass airflow sensor intake housing, mass airflow sensor housing clamps, remote oil filter hoses, fittings, adapter, and filter head. Wiring harness boxes with both the engine bay and interior side of the harnesses, as well as the CAN bus display, grid heater solenoid, and grid heater wiring. Other optional accessories are available at shop.cummins.com, including a different mega bracket to reconfigure the power steering pump and AC compressor locations, as well as a block heater and cable for colder weather climates. Moving back to the engine, there is one main difference in what you see here versus what you saw in the first generation of the R2.8 Turbo Diesel. The lube oil pump housing now includes an option for spin-on filter directly to the engine, as well as the kit to mount it remotely for those who may have obstructions like a front differential or steering box. When removing the engine from the skid, we recommend using a spreader bar and a properly rated engine hoist. As the manual states, do not set the engine on the oil pan to avoid potential damage. For a complete list of what is included with the R2.8 Turbo Diesel crate engine, as well as optional parts and filters, please visit shop.cummins.com. Thank you for watching, and be sure to tag us throughout your build so we can follow along.